Hello guys, today I will try to explain to you the sound of the consonant B or the B phoneme. It's a sound from the consonant pairs group and it's called voiced bilabial stop. This means that you use both of your lips to block your mouth in this way. Ba, ba. The B sound is made through the mouth and its voice, which means that you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. To produce that sound, you need to pressure to both lips in this way, ba, ba. And it's a stop sound in the manner of articulation because when you try to make that sound, the air is blocked for both lips. In the position of these sounds in some words, we have, for example, in the initial position, baby, bottle, bring. In the middle position, we have problem, number, and public. And the final position, we have a job, and describe, and suburb. Well, finally, we have one spelling case. It is very important to know the different spelling cases. In this occasion, we have the silent B. When you have a letter B at the end of the word, you don't have to pronounce it because it's mute or is silent. For example, climb, you don't say climb, you say climb. Come and dumb. This is the spelling case of the silent B. Well, that's it. Thank you for your attention.